Hi everyone, my name's Adonai, also known as AC Coder, and today I'm going to be doing the Microbit glove unboxing video. The Microbit glove is a simple make-it-yourself musical glove that you're able to create and code yourself at home. Here is my box, and I'm going to be going through all the equipment that I'll need to make my glove. The box comes with a booklet. This tells you all the information about the glove and steps that I'll need to make the glove. It also comes with a BBC Microbit, a speaker, a USB cable, crocodile clips, needle and thread, and a battery pack. This video, thank you so much for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye!